Michael here from For Your Home and For Your Home Rentals. Good morning. Erkki and his family, Juha, is here with me. They have stayed with us many times. So today he's offering to say a little words about his stay here. So again, how was your stay from start to finish?
Our stay here from start to finish was amazing. The villa is amazing. The weather was perfect and we really enjoyed our time here. Yeah, accommodation is like, a dream come true here. So we all are really relaxed and we enjoyed our time here, so we can't wait to come back again.
No, and Erkki asked me to book the other villa for April.
So we are already planning our next trip here. So thank you a lot.
And now in Finnish.
Nautittiin tosi paljon, oli ihan mieletön ilma. Tää villa on ihan uskomaton, ollaan oltu täällä aikaisemminkin. Nautittiin ihan tosi paljon. Koko perheelle täältä löytyi paljon tekemistä. Tosi turvallinen, tosi siisti. Ei malteta odottaa, että tullaan seuraavan kerran uudestaan.
I hope you said I was a nice guy, but I had no clue. Anyway,
for sure.
Thanks for coming back.
Thank
and
you.
Have a good flight back home.
Thank you.
Ciao.